Happy Wednesday. I had every intention of kicking this vlog off earlier in the week, but it didn't happen. And now we're trying to multitask while I kick off this vlog because I wanted to do it before the live, but also because I always feel like I need like a mental break from the live after it's over. And so I figured I would end up pushing this vlog off even more. But I need to get my coffee ready to go for the live. Do I have any ice that's like made? I forgot to fill up all the ice trays yesterday, and now they're kind of like, this is gonna have to be good enough. Anyways, hi, it is Wednesday. This is our last weekly vlog because, not that I think baby's coming necessarily anytime soon, knock on wood, but just the last one so that my editor can get it edited and I can get it all ready to go. That way we are done with all the content that needs to get done before the, like, until November? Not even, December for Vlogmas, wow. Yeah, the videos I have left are this vlog right now, and then the goals video, my goals video, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. These ice cubes are not even close to being made. They're kind of like falling apart in my hands, but whatever, it'll be good enough. Anyways, Sam is out of town this week, so I also feel like I can vlog a little bit more from the kitchen or other places in the apartment, and I'm not bothering him. So I thought I would share with you what my coffee situation looks like. I have been buying this, oh my God, just knocking things over. I am a klutz. I've been using this unsweetened cold brew, bold, but not the extra bold. Oh, the extra bold Sam got recently because they were out of this one, and it was not good. I mean, it was good, but for my pregnancy heartburn and just in general, it was too much for me. Anyways, so I've been doing that. I do have a Trader Joe's nearby. If you've been watching vlogs for a long time, you know that I love the cold brew concentrate from Trader Joe's, but I haven't been shopping. I haven't been grocery shopping there. And so I've been getting this pre-made cold brew. I don't know if I really have a preference on which one I like better, but I think I was just talking to my mom. We went to Costco earlier this week to stock up on a bunch of stuff for baby, like diapers and wipes and like toilet paper and paper towels and things like that. And I was thinking about the fact that I might want to make a run to Trader Joe's to get the cold brew concentrate because it is shelf stable. This, it probably could be shelf stable if I could find it, but at my grocery store, they have it in the refrigerated section. So then once it's refrigerated, you got to keep it there. But I could get a bunch of the Trader Joe's cold brew and keep it like in the pantry so I don't ever worry about running out of coffee, which I am assuming once I have a newborn and I no longer have a caffeine limit on a daily basis, I'm gonna be having a lot of coffee. And then I have been just having it with half and half. I cut sugar out of my coffee, gosh, I don't even remember how long ago that was. It was one of the very first small changes I made when I was really getting serious about losing weight. And I went to just having half and half in my coffee. And I stuck with that. I did for a while sometimes incorporate like flavored protein. What's the word I'm looking for there? Flavored protein shake. Why can't I think of what that's called? Which did have sugar in it for sure. And then I would have it with oat milk. That's how I was doing it with the Trader Joe's. I was doing the cold brew concentrate with oat milk with the flavored protein. I'm about to run out of time. Anyways, I could get away with that. I could get away with the oat milk if I was doing with something sweet. I can get away with just like half and half, but I need a lot of it right now because of my pregnancy heartburn. So I've been buying it in the giant size, which they only have at Target. But my mom goes to Target pretty regularly and she's always like, do you need half and half? Anyways, I need to go do this live. All right, hi. Live is over. I did not finish my coffee because about halfway through the live, I realized I had to go to the bathroom really badly. So I stopped sipping on my coffee. I have to go to the bathroom all the time. Literally, like, we're going to see a show tonight. I think I said that. No, I think I said that in the live, not in the vlog. Okay, that has been one of the issues. I have to be totally honest. Creating all this content to go out on maternity leave has been awesome. But between the vast amount of content as well as my pregnancy brain, it all is running together. There's a bunch of mush in my brain and I can never remember where I said this. Was this a vlog? Was this another pre-film video? Has that video gone up yet? Or is it going up in 2 months? Was it a live? Was it a community call? Who the heck knows? Who the heck knows? So anyway, that is where I'm at. The live that went up today, I did kind of recap my maternity leave. By the time this vlog goes up, it'll basically be over. So I don't know why I'm telling you that. What else do I have to tell you? Okay, I'll tell you what is going on the rest of the day. But before I get there, let me start with yesterday. I feel like I checked off a big milestone. Actually, 2 things. One, I told you we went to Costco and got a bunch of stuff and that felt really good. And then my mom and I were just texting Costco does not carry newborn size diapers. So we're gonna go to Target later this week so that we can get newborn size diapers. We're gonna go to Home Goods to get some drawer organizers for the changing table / dresser. And then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's to get coffee, like I talked about before. So I feel like those will be kind of the last big shopping things that need to be done before, not that we're not gonna shop in the next couple of weeks, but like, I wanna feel good about all this stuff. I wanna have all this stuff. Like if anything happens, I've heard like at this point when you go into the doctor's appointments, like be prepared that they are just gonna like send you over to like have a baby at this point. I'll be 36 weeks on Friday, 2 days, and I have a doctor's appointment Monday. That's a full sonogram with measuring and all that stuff. So the other thing I did yesterday was wash my first load of baby clothes, and it is like, they're so small. They are so small. Now, not everything is here at my apartment. Some of it's at my mom's because I took stuff over there to decorate for the shower, and I took way more than we possibly would have needed and just have left it there, and she's gonna wash everything that's at her house and bring it over. So I don't have everything that's in like, I don't have every clothing piece here at my house, but even everything that's like newborn or 0 to 3. And that's what I did. I washed everything that was newborn or 0 to 3, and it was one load because it's also tiny. It's so small. But it was just, I don't know, it was fun. And then last night, did I mention that Sam was out of town? Yeah, I did. God, my brain. You're probably like, these vlogs are just a mess. So last night I just felt like I had this little like cozy evening where I like put on a movie and I went through baby clothes, and I like folded, well, I'd see, but that's just it. I didn't organize the 0 to 3 or newborn onesies or pajamas because I don't have drawer organizers. So those things just got thrown in the drawer. I'm not showing you the nursery right this second because it is a tornado in there, but we will do like a final nursery tour in this vlog. So I threw all that stuff in the drawer. I hung up anything that was like an actual outfit, like a cute outfit, which for newborn and 0 to 3, I have like 3 things. So I hung those up. So they're clean, like hanging up. And then I went ahead and I didn't wash anything past 3 months, which I might Google and see how I feel about washing 3 to 6 month stuff. Like, am I gonna feel like washing stuff then? Like, do I wanna go ahead and do that now? But 3 months from now, like that's gonna get, no, actually now that I'm talking about that out loud, like I'm not. So everything 3 plus, I kind of did the same thing. If it was like a outfit, like true cute outfit, I hung it up in the closet with these little, I got like little organizers that separated out by size. And then for onesies and pajamas, I put them in boxes and labeled them like 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months. And that's actually it. I don't have any pajamas. The good thing about this whole situation is that I was really able to assess what we don't have. And for the most part, I feel really good. I feel like she could use a couple more outfits that fall into that 3 to 6 category for whatever reason. I don't have a ton of outfits in that size group, like leaving the house outfits, and I'm hoping at that point we'll do more leaving the house, although 3 to 6 months for her will be like really freaking cold outside, so we'll see. And then I don't have any pajamas past 9 months. Like all my pajamas are smaller than that, so eventually I'm gonna need to buy those. But that's where we're at right now in terms of clothing, and it was fun. It was so fun. Today, so I'm gonna do a couple more work things, and then my sister's coming over and we're gonna record some more podcast episodes. We haven't released any yet. That is partially my fault, partially her life. Her life, understandably, she had a death in the family and that threw a whole wrench in things. Mine is just, haven't been editing, but I also wanted to make sure before we started releasing that I felt good about the number of episodes we had for when the baby comes. And so it was kind of like knowing that her schedule got like, there was a wrinkle in us being able to do more episodes. I didn't feel motivated to edit, and so now I haven't edited anything, but we're gonna try to get some more done today because we have plans tonight, so we kind of worked out. So she's gonna come over and we're gonna do some more, and then her and my mom and I are going to see a show, which I'm really excited about. We actually had these tickets for a couple weeks ago that we moved because she ended up traveling for the funeral, and it's, we're seeing Rock of Ages. Oh, the camera's about to die. Okay, let me get through this really fast. We're seeing Rock of Ages, but it's not like one of the main Chicago theaters. It's like not a community theater, it's like somewhere in between. So we'll see. We're gonna go to dinner first, and then go see the show, and I'm excited. I just finished filming. Well, does it count as the last video because this vlog is not gonna be over today. But I just finished filming my goals check-in video. I keep calling it my September goals video, but I'm not setting September goals. By the time this vlog goes up, that video will be months old, but it was an August check-in and then quarterly goals. But I just feel really like that was the last sit down video to film before there's a baby. Like I said, this vlog is not over and this is really the last video that I'm filming. I just wanted to document this moment. I don't have anything else to talk about today. Hi, it's Friday. I feel like I look way more tired than I feel. I mean, don't get me wrong. I pretty much always feel tired. I'm sleeping absolutely terribly. I get out of breath just by like walking down the hallway of my apartment. But I feel like it looks worse than it actually is. I think it's just like for the makeup from yesterday. Still, I washed my face, clearly. I don't have makeup on, but like I don't know. Anyway, also if you hear weird noises, they're doing work on the apartment above us and it's very loud. But I am sitting in the living room, wanted to catch up and chat. It's Friday. It's like already 2 o'clock. I really just like don't know where the time went today. My mom picked me up this morning and we ran a bunch of errands for baby stuff. We went to Home Goods first because I keep wanting to check the Halloween decor and see if I could find something I like, and I just still have never found anything I liked. And then we also checked for drawer dividers at Home Goods. They actually didn't have any. It wasn't that they just didn't have anything that like didn't fit in the space I wanted or what I liked, but they didn't have any drawer dividers. It was very bizarre. So that was Home Goods, so we actually didn't buy anything there. Then we went to Target. Because they're currently having a sale on diapers, and I think I mentioned this earlier in the vlog. We bought, I mean, I say we because my mom is the one with the car and took me. Obviously, I am the one purchasing said diapers. I guess we could be me and baby girl. We bought diapers at Costco earlier in the week, but they don't have newborn size. Luckily, Target was also having a sale on diapers. So we went to Target and got newborn size diapers at Target on sale. And then of course snagged a couple other things at Target because how can you go to Target and not grab more things? And also got drawer dividers. They had them at Target. I was gonna check there and see how I felt about them. And then if I didn't like them, end up on Amazon, which I don't like to do. I don't want to be so reliant on Amazon, but it is so hard. It is such a hard habit to break. And then I also got one of the new fall drinks. I'm not a big fall person. I mean, by the time you're watching this vlog, they will be onto the winter drinks for sure. But as of the day I'm filming this, even though it is still August, I'm not a big artificial pumpkin flavor fan. It's just not my favorite. I usually do get 1 or 2 pumpkin, especially since they've started the pumpkin cream cold brews. That's the one pumpkin thing I like. I don't like the pumpkin spice lattes. This year they have an apple. Also, this is a really unflattering angle. Or you can look at boxes behind me, look at the keyboard. Anyway, and my hair is like falling out. It was like in a braid and now it's all over the place. I got the new apple crisp macchiato and it was so good. So good. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. I got it cold, but I also want to try it hot and it was very delicious. And then we went to Trader Joe's so that I could stock up on the Trader Joe's coffee that is shelf stable, and then grabbed a ton of Trader Joe's frozen stuff that we like to stick in the freezer. So we've got frozen meal options for when baby comes. And then we spent a bunch of time in the nursery, and I'm still not ready to show you. I promise it will be part of this vlog. I will not close the vlog without a nursery status tour. But like, we didn't finish, we just made a lot of progress. So my mom washed all the small clothes that she had at her house and brought them over. And so that plus the drawer dividers, we organized the whole dresser. That's all done. And then we hung up all the other stuff that we had that's more like outfit stuff, right? Like the dresser is onesies and pajamas and socks and that kind of stuff. And then we hung up like the cute outfits. And then we started organizing some other stuff. I have now a whole extra like new load of laundry of stuff that I had like stuff. How many times am I gonna say stuff? I have a whole extra load of laundry of things that still need to get washed. It's like more sheets, the mattress cover, and then all the swaddles were still in the closet. I hadn't pulled those out yet, so those are in there. We bought some burp cloths at Target, so those are in there. And then what else I feel like we spent so much time in there. I'm like, what all did we do in there? I mean, we also like chatted and, you know, admired cute baby clothes and whatnot. But then there got to a point where she was like, okay, my parking is gonna expire. Like, how are you feeling? And I was like, I need to sit down and rest. And I'm trying to be better about that right now. Like listening to my body. I walked around a bunch of stores and then was organizing the nursery. And I was like, I need to rest. And so she was like, okay, that works out. I'm gonna leave and you go sit on the couch and rest. Sam is home. I mentioned that, I think, in yesterday's clip. So, but I still wanted to sit out on the couch instead of sit in my office, because I'm gonna take both a physical and a mental break a little bit here, and then I'm gonna go move to the office and get some work done. But what I'm gonna do, I'm really excited to sit here and do this, is plan out what I'm gonna buy for December daily, which is kind of bananas that we're already talking about that, but it happens in August every year. I'm not shocked by it. Like, this is the time of year. So they released today Friday the 25th, all of the like the products that are going to be on sale. And so there are just videos and videos and videos that I'm gonna sit here and watch. And I'm making it sound like I'm gonna sit here for hours. It's probably gonna take me like an hour to watch them. And then I'm gonna make my list of like what I wanna buy. Products go on sale on Tuesday. By the time that you're watching this, you can 100% still participate. If you are still interested in participating in December Daily, you absolutely can. In fact, if you ordered like today, the day the video goes live, like it will probably get here by December 1st. But even if it doesn't get here by that date, you could start the project without having all of the supplies in hand. Likely things will be sold out. Like things sell out like within the hour of stuff going live on Tuesday, but not everything will be gone. So you could 100% still participate. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will leave their blog post link down below that explains everything. And then I also did videos last year of all my December daily stuff. I'm planning to do that again this year as part of Vlogmas, is just include December daily each Vlogmas. But by the time you're watching this video, it will start soon. So I'm excited to like pick out products today and then eventually get them and get them all organized. And it's just gonna be a very, very special December daily. Thought I would turn the camera around for a second and show you what's on the other side of the camera, because this is also something that I want to get started on hopefully soon-ish. I'm prioritizing the nursery for now, and then we'll get to this area. But the plan here is Rosie the robot, which, oh, she's the freaking best. Or Rosie the Roomba, I guess, too. She needs to move. She's gonna get a new home. The bikes are gonna get stored. We have like a little bitty outdoor patio space, but we didn't have a bike lock to store them, but now we do. That's that red thing. So those just need to get moved out to the patio area. And then I don't want to get up and show you, sorry. I'm so tired, but I got this like foam for floor padding. It's right there. Maybe I'll pop up a picture of it so you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna clean the floor first, obviously. And then I got this like foam padding to make a little like play area in that corner. I was actually at Target today looking at a little shelf that, you know, they have those shelves at Target that have the little, they're square, like the cubes, and then you have like the baskets that go in them. They have one that's like a corner size. So I might do that. I haven't quite decided. Or if I just want to do a regular one up against the back wall for toys and stuff. And then start putting together. This whole pile is all baby stuff that needs to get put together. So you can see this one is this cute little Finding Nemo jumper. I also in this pile somewhere have the Finding Nemo like floor pad that has like Mr. Ray, like the one that you like lay down and look up at. Actually, that's not baby. That's a Chewy box for Charlie. The stroller's over there. The car seat is over there somewhere. What else is in this pile? The car seat, the stroller, the jumper. Oh, like the swing, like a regular, like I just got like a regular Graco, like baby swing. What else is in this pile? Yeah, anyway, lots of stuff to like put together. And I know some of this stuff won't be necessary. Like it's going to be a long time before she can get in that jumper thingy. So that's not necessarily a priority. Really, it's like, I probably should organize the boxes in terms of priority. The car seat is like number one. Let's get that done. The stroller, probably number two. Oh, the pack and play is in that pile, which is what we're using for a bassinet at the beginning. We're not buying a separate bassinet. We're just going to use the pack and play. That actually is priority number one. Because like if she came home from the hospital tomorrow, actually I guess the car seat is equally as important, Laken, if not just probably more. So the car seat and the pack and play are number one and number two. Let's get those done. And then we'll get to the rest of it when we get there. But that's the plan for this corner of our living room. Hi, this is gonna be really short and sweet. I'm not sharing what day it is. I'm not sharing any details yet because being in the middle of something they've never done before, I don't know what I wanna share. I don't know what I wanna share, when I wanna share, how I wanna share any of those things. But this vlog needs an end. Not the ending I had planned. This is the hospital. I'm at the hospital right now. So yeah, I just need to get this vlog closed which is not the ending I had planned. I promise, I know what, how many times did I promise in this video that I was gonna share the nursery, and there were no changes. There was nothing to share. I will do a nursery tour as part of Vlogmas for sure. So that is gonna be the end of this vlog, and all of these vlogs, well, that's just so ironic at this point. All these vlogs leading up to baby. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and then click that subscribe button because Vlogmas is right around the corner. There will be lots of vlogs then that will look very different. Thank you so much for watching.